Alrighty, hey guys, welcome back to another Steam tutorial, and today we're going to check out a website that helps you kind of filter through all the current deals that are going on with games on Steam. So obviously you can do this through the Steam directory, but this website gives you a lot more different ways to filter out your search to actually get what you want to get for a good price. As you can see, you have a bunch of different things at the top left that you can click on. You can filter by tag, you can filter by type of game, pretty much anything you like, and also how much you're willing to spend. Now if you go down over here, you can also have you also have a lot of good tabs that you can click on, especially for the discount percentage of the game that you're looking for, the ones with the highest discount percentage. You can look at their price overall, you can look at their rating, how good they are, and also when the deal has started and when it ends as well, which I think is very good to know about. So if you did want to actually parse through, and obviously you can search through game titles like, for example, Assassin's Creed, and it'll pop up all the Assassin's Creed and all of that. But this site is called steamdb.info/sales. It'll be the first link down below. Go check it out, and I will see you in the next one. Go check out my other Steam tutorials as well, the second link down below.